thing I'm gonna do is slay a homemade photo shoot.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe what? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because you're gonna love it here. Okay, so today is Sunday. It's 1:33. My way to go pick up my friend because we are about to do her photo shoot for her birthday. Her birthday is coming up in like a week and a half, and she wanted me to do her photo shoot. So I'm gonna do her photo shoot because I'm a bootleg photographer. I'm the best bootleg photographer. Let me add that in there. Just doing like a vintage, I don't want to say pinup girl. Like I guess you could say pinup girl, like a vintage pinup girl, beachy theme kind of situation. And I'm honored that she finally asked me to take the pictures for her because one thing I'm gonna do is slay a homemade photo shoot, period. So I'm gonna be doing her hair. It's raining. I'm gonna be doing her hair and her, not makeup. I don't do makeup. I don't know how to do makeup. What am I talking about? I'm gonna be doing her hair and taking her pictures. So yeah, I'm just bringing you guys with me. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole entire thing. Well, first I have to go to my suite. I have to go to my salon suite because I totally forgot to bring any of my hair stuff. I don't know what I was thinking about. We also have to go to the hair store because she needs duckbill clips. We're doing the soda can roller set hairstyle. Is that something on my nose? No, it's something on my camera. We're doing the soda can roller set hairstyle, and I've never done this hairstyle before. I was looking it up last night just to kind of see like what different techniques people use. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys very soon.
Yeah. Work. Do me up, you work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Let that dog be lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it.
Yeah, this is the setup. She lied and told me that her ring light was the same size as my ring light, so I didn't bring my ring light. And this ring light is so little, but we got to make it work. And then I brought this, I don't even know what kind of, what this light called. That I don't know, but I brought this light with me. Thank God I had it in my car, because what the fuck is this? So yeah, I'm about to get started on her hair. I look real sweaty and clammy. I'm going to get started on her hair so we can start on these photos. Y'all, look at this shit. Why? And guess what, y'all? I'm finna put it right on her head since you wanna play. I'm finna put it right on her. It still got a ponytail in it.
I told you that though.
No, you did.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Y'all.
Yes.
This wig got a full blow.
I said.
No, cause hold on.
We...
I have the most ghetto fucking friends in ghetto history.
We could just put the can around it.
I'm finna put a can on your real head at this point. just finished her hair. It was pretty. It was easier than I thought. I can't lie. It was easier than I thought. The hard part was the clips, like getting the clips to stay in her hair. It is now 6 o'clock. And we've gotten nowhere. She's put her clothes on now. And then when she comes down, I'll start shooting. I think she gotta do her makeup or something too real quick. But yeah, so when she comes down, I'll be back to show y'all the process.
Cut and print. Beautiful, guys. Dynamite.
That's a wrap. We done. I'm tired of her. Okay, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys like what I use to edit. So I use Facetune 2. I prefer regular Facetune, but I don't know if they don't have it anymore or what, but I was trying to download it and it was gone. So I use Facetune 2, and I'm also using PixArt because I saw somebody post on TikTok that it's easier to like stretch your background and like get out all the wrinkles and things like that. So I just downloaded PixArt today, but I usually use Facetune for the most part. You can pretty much do anything on Facetune. So this is the picture that I'm working on right now. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best to show like what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna use retouch. Where is it? Just go to smooth, which is also in the same section. Let me go to smoother. I'm not really feeling Facetune 2 because I feel like the smooth button is less effective on this. Alright, so there's also, I don't even know what that is. Is that a birthmark? I'm just gonna get rid of it because I don't know what it is. And I'm just going in with the smooth feature. I'm getting rid of some texture, but not all of it, because you don't want it to look, you just don't want it to look airbrushed. It's not gonna look natural at all, but you want it to, you still want it to look like a photo shoot. Oh, the background. Let me show you how I do the background. Okay, so this is how I do the background. I'm gonna go to, well, this particular background, because there's different ways to do it, but this one is easier because it's up close and I don't have to like edit around the edges. So I'm gonna go to smoother because I just want to make this quick and easy. and I'm gonna adjust it. It doesn't let you adjust it until you actually touch the screen. So I'm gonna adjust it, and it's gonna get rid of all those wrinkles. Like literally every last one. So like I said, you're still gonna have like, it's still gonna be some wrinkles left. And in order to get like rid of them completely, you literally just save it. Not save it, but you know, apply all the changes you just made, go back to retouch and do it again. That's it. I'm gonna adjust it and do it again. So. Details, and I like to use details for things like jewelry. It just makes things pop. I like things that are like supposed to be shiny, so it's gonna make her nails more detailed. I put a little on her nose ring. I'm gonna put some around the soda can rims because it's just like, I don't know, it makes it pop to me. I'm gonna do her eyes and her lashes to make her eyes pop. Not done, but I just wanted to show you guys the basics really quick, like how to just do the basic stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna finish editing, and then when I'm done with this, I will show you guys all of the finished product at the end.